How about I try to throw one up and you try to throw one up?
I don't like this.
I think you're freaking him out. Just go get it. Here, give it to me.
Here.
I'll do it.
No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Give me one of them. I'll fill one up.
We can do this. We're gonna try this. I don't have sharp teeth.
He's gonna stomp your face.
Oh!
Matthew, you're such a baby.
It's not working.
Winter use. Try winter use.
Oh.
Son of a biscuit!
Okay.
Winter uses that push button.
Oh. Yeah.
I'll give you some of my water. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Matthew.
His lips just come at you like that.
Okay.
I think that means go. Oh. That's.
We're good.
Okay, let's go.
I got these. I'd rather die of starvation than
I'll
get
just give you some of
stomped on
this.
my face.
Are we good to go then?
Dude, that thing owns it.
Watch your back, everyone.
Show them your eyes. So know you're honest.
Submit, guys. Like this.
Back away.
This is how you're supposed to walk away from them.